Hi, my name is JB. I'm the son of Masanduku Arap Smith. You see, my father is an ambassador of peace. Na vile my dad dealt with, tribalism was he took the initiative to learn as many dialects as he could. So guys don't even know what tribe he was. Guys still don't know what tribe I am. And I wouldn't say that tribe is not important, because if I was not a Kikuyu, I'd not been a Kenyan. What I'm saying is we need to embrace each and every tribe we have. That, foreigners come to this country because they envy the fact that we are 42 plus 2 tribes and we live together in harmony. Let's not lose that. Chagua amani. Maze, msatu kubonga na sewa kwa mtaani kwa show. Si right, si kawa Kenya kufight na tumegrow up pamoja maze. Msa alikuwa na keti next to we Daro, msa uka next to we kwa Matt, neighbor wako. Yeni Mkenya, kako tribe ingine, let's learn ku embrace nini anaweza kuleta on the table akiwa different tribe. Unajua?